Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh, and today is 21st of November 2024. The day is Thursday. Tomorrow will be the last trading day of the week, but let us see what is happening right now. Today is a trending day. Before we discuss the price action, please allow me to tell you that I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am an independent analyst. Therefore, whatever I'm going to share with you here, it is my own analysis. It has nothing to do with the gas copy bank. So we'll be strictly discussing the price action here in this webinar, and we'll not talk about anything that is fundamental in nature. And as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already, you can see on the chart. So we'll not talk about anything that is fundamental. So in this program, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels of importance from where the price can do some reversal or can keep moving in the similar direction if that particular area or zone is bypassed. Okay. So at the end of the session, I'll be also taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions if you have. My request to you will be that whatever I say in this live stream, please do not take it as a trading advice. It should not be seen as a trading advice. It is only for enhancing your information or power of reading the price action. Okay, that's it. So please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on the line. With that said, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first, please. So right now, what you can see on your screen is the standard risk disclaimer. That is because there is a possibility of margin trading to act both ways. Like it can give you sufficient leverage, and also it can sufficiently increase your losses if you have taken a wrong trade. So please understand the risk that is involved before moving on to the charts. You can pause the video here if you want. All right, so first things first, we are looking at the US dollar index right now in front of you. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index. This chart is just to highlight where the price is headed. So from here, we can ascertain that the price is headed upwards. It is so simple to ascertain because the price is making higher highs and higher lows. Right now, today, the price has made a higher high than the previous high. So it has made a higher high. That means the price is headed upward. So where are we expecting the other pairs to go? Like the pairs that are in inverse correlation with the US dollar, that is GBP USD, it is supposed to head down. Well, our first target for this was 1.2596, which has been taken. At the same time, the price has traded this fair value gap. Now, price has traded this fair value gap. That is important for me because in this leg up, there is no fair value gap on the lower side. So this is a very important fair value gap for me. So if the price has to reverse, it has to reverse from this area only. Okay, if it does not have to reverse, that is the other thing, but this is the area from where the price can reverse. If it does not reverse from here, then the minimum level that it will go is 1.2445 in my expectation. So you got the idea now where the price is going. Either it will go back or it will reach at least 1.2445 in the process of going down. What about the euro? Well, the euro has taken all the liquidity except 1.0448. This is now my target. 1.0448 is my target. I don't think that the price will go back before taking it. So I'm expecting it to be taken actually today. If not today, then at least tomorrow, the price will go and shoot up to 1.0448. And it can even go lower to trade these fair value gaps before reversing. So you got the idea. The price is most likely to go down from here. What about the euro? Euro also, this is an inside, not inside, this symmetrical triangle forming here, although the price tried to go higher, but it was rejected. So what does it mean? That after going price higher than this fair value gap, it is getting rejected at the midpoint or the bottom. So all in all, the price is getting rejected and is expected to go higher from here. It is possible that the US dollar will start falling from the same level from which it has created now, and can get lower. Why? Because all the buy side liquidity that was resting above these highs is taken out. So getting my point, I'm expecting now Australian dollar also to rise from here. In that case, US dollar will be falling, and I'm expecting, actually New Zealand dollar I'm not expecting to rise. Why? It is very weak as compared to Australian dollar. You see, it has made a new high and is trading higher than the 50% of yesterday. it has not made any new high and it is traded lower than the low of yesterday. So New Zealand dollar is very weak here. I can assure you that Audi New Zealand will be making new highs. See? Okay, coming back to the New Zealand dollar, you see it is very weak, has traded the fair value gap, got rejected at fair value gap. After closing the candle lower than this fair value gap, today the price traded that and is getting lower. So that means this fair value gap is getting respected by the price. What about the USD CHF? I think we have already spoken about it yesterday that this fair value gap is very difficult for the price to break. Although US dollar has made new highs, USD CHF has failed to make new highs than 0.89818. So this means that if this fair value gap does not get broken, there is a high probability that the price will drop from here very fast. USD JPY, similarly, US dollar is making higher highs on the daily, okay, whereas USD JPY is being suppressed by this fair value gap. Now see guys, yesterday I removed this fair value gap, okay, but you know that there's a fair value gap here. Yes, this is pushing the price down 1 2 3 4 5 days. So don't you think that the fair value gap is strong enough to push the prices lower? But the problem is that there is a fair value gap here also which is pushing the prices up. So the price has stuck between these two fair value gaps. Where is it supposed to go now? It has taken this high. Now I'm expecting it to go lower. Let us see, but US dollar is going up. So I will not jump the trigger in the expectation that the price will go lower. I will just observe which side is broken and where the price closes. Okay. What about the Bitcoin? Finally, Bitcoin is at 97,720. Oh, it is making even higher highs. Today it has made highest high at 98,395. Come on, man. This is too much. Too much. From 49,308 to 97. 50,000 in like no time. It took all the time in the world to reach 50,000 and then just 1 month to another 50,000. Okay, 2 months. August, September, October, November. So 4 months to take another 50,000. Very, very good. What about the Brent, guys? Brent is expected to go higher. I think I have discussed it yesterday. This fair value gap is what the price is expecting. Closed above this fair value gap already. If it happens today, then we will be expecting even higher prices. I think I shared with my viewers yesterday that I'm looking for the higher prices in this market because after closing the day higher than all these, the price was respecting this, and today it is giving you another confirmation that I'm going higher, and there is no fair value gap on the way leg down, although there is one here. So this one. So it is a clear indication now that if the price closes above this fair value gap now, which is approximately 74.10, if the price closes above 74.10, then it can go all the way to this high, which is around 76.26. So there is a possibility of 200 points above 74.10. Let us see how the things unfold. Right now I'm not willing to push any button in between these two levels. Gold is making higher highs again. It has almost closed above this last level. Oh, sorry, this is the breaker block. Well, this breaker block till now it is respecting. We need to see a candle closing on the daily, so we will only be able to tell tomorrow where the gold is headed. As of now, I cannot say anything because the price is still trading inside the breaker block. Euro JPY, I was looking for the higher prices and it dropped down from here, but it is dropping from here, so I am not able to push my button here. On the way down, it may find support in this region. This is a strong support area. Also, this is the last fair value gap in this leg up. Let us see how the things unfold here. There is no fair value gap on the way down after this. So this is the only one. So I expect bullishness from here. GBP AUD, very bearish pound, and much better Australian dollar has pushed the GBP AUD in this leg. So yesterday we traded this fair value gap. Did I tell you that whenever the price trades fair value gap and goes the other side, the price goes like boom. Is it less? Okay, I think it is only 300 points. So it's your wish how you take it. But yes, now the price has traded this fair value gap. Will it close lower than this or will it close higher than this? That is my point. If it closes less than the 50% of this candle, less than the 50%, that is, if it trades and closes below 1.93506, I'll be looking for even selling positions. with the target of at least this low here, 1.9123 in this market. CHF JPY, we are looking for the lower prices, but we expected the price to go into this fair value gap before going lower. So till the time the price is not going in this region, I'll not be looking for the selling opportunity. That's it, guys. Although I was looking for a selling opportunity in this one, but see, the price has closed above this 50%, then traded this fair value gap again, closed above than 50%. Now it is going lower, but I'm not sure that the price is going lower because it has traded twice above the 50% of this candle. Sorry, above the 50% of this gap. Order New Zealand making higher highs, 1.1177 is the target in this market. If it goes lower, then I will not be surprised if there is more buying at this fair value gap. There will be more buying at this fair value gap and the price will push towards 1.1177. That buying will happen only if the price does not take this liquidity before entering this area. If it enters this area before taking this liquidity, then only there will be buying. Keep a note. If the price hits here and then comes back, do not expect buying here. Gas, I told you there's a clean breakout. Even there is now a fair value gap in the structure. So if someone is looking for buying the gas, now is the time. Not now, I mean when it dips into this area. Which area? Okay, this is the low, 3.2343. If it goes below 3.3243, look for buying opportunities. EuroCAD, finally all the targets taken, 1.474576 is the next. This is so easy, guys. This is so easy. Okay, this is so easy. It did not give you any opportunity here, but it has given you opportunity here to go short. You shorted it, fine. If you did not short it, your problem. That's all, guys, from my side. Ethereum finally taking support from here, going back towards the resistance zone. Although it has not made any higher high, but yes, it is bullish on the grounds that the Bitcoin is rising. But I'm not very bullish on the Ethereum. I'm looking for the lower prices in this one. After, even if it takes this high, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity close to 3566. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that question. I'll be very happy to answer those questions for you. If not, then I would like to wrap up this session. I hope you know about the levels of support and the resistance. Now that will be of interest in the coming days. Tomorrow is the last day of the week, Friday. Friday is mostly out of liquidity, or you say it is not tradable. So I will say if you are already profitable in the week, then try to refrain from trading on the Fridays. Still, I wish you luck, and I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming days and hours. Just remember, do not risk more than 1% of your entire capital on a single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find it useful for you, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.